Hi, I'm Scott Campbell. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you landed on my channel, that means you're probably very interested in window painting. So I have to tell you, you've come to the right place. I have well over 1,000 videos on the subject. So you have a lot of stuff, a lot of resource material that you can access to find out about window painting, the tools, the materials, the procedures, and other stuff. And I did most of my painting in Portland, Oregon for about 33 years. I originally started in Fallon, Nevada, painted my first window here. Within 10 years after that, we moved to Portland, Oregon, where I made it a full-time business. And moved back to Fallon, Nevada. I'm here in Northern Nevada now again, and retired. I still have about 6 clients in town. Mostly I do those just so I can make videos and teach you guys, because that's what it's all about now, is I'm a window painting teacher. And I also teach on Patreon too. And oh yeah, I wanted to mention my ebooks, so let's go inside and we'll talk about that. Okay, let's talk about the ebooks. I got 6 of them. The first one's a really basic introductory ebook to window painting. And the other 5 books are sketchbooks. So the first one is Make Money Painting Window Splashes, Book 1, Getting Started. Talks about my history a little and stuff. It's kind of interesting. And it goes over the procedures and the supplies and the paint and the brushes and all the materials you're going to need to get started. So if you're just starting, this book is perfect. And then the rest of them are sketchbooks, and they're all copyright free. You can use them for any splashes you want to do. The first one's Scott Campbell's Halloween Sketchbook, and again, it has a lot of sketches and characters that you can use to copy to use for your own splashes, and spark some ideas of your own or copy them exactly. Either one is fine. Next we have the Christmas Winter Sketchbook, and it's a combination of winter themes and also Christmas stuff. It's got everything you can imagine, from Santa, snowman, trees, all kinds of characters, different anthropomorphic characters, penguins, bears, all kinds of stuff. Got instruction in it, but a lot of it is just reference stuff. Scott Campbell's Spring and Summer Sketchbook. I cover all the spring holidays like Mardi Gras and St. Patrick's Day, and of course Easter, Cinco de Mayo, and I think I go into graduation too. And then also especially some summer themes. The Back to School and Fall Sketchbook is one of my favorites. It has a lot of really cool characters in it, and I cover a lot of ground with this, you know, covering back to school themes, but also a lot of fall themes separate from Halloween. And there's a little bit of overcross because we have like the pumpkins here, and they're not jack-o'-lanterns, but they are pumpkins. And then the Dragon Sketchbook is my latest book. It's not quite as big as the other books, but it's got a lot of stuff about dragons, because dragons are so eye-catching, and they're really a great character to use on windows to attract attention for different things. So these are all my sketchbooks, and I'm going to be making more too. And so let's go over some of the pricing of the sketchbooks. So 1 book 15, 2 books 25, 3 books 36, 4 books 40. It's pretty much explanatory. 5 or more books are $10 per book. But also, if you're a top tier patron, look for the link in the description to my Patreon channel. You get all the books free, past, present, and any future books are free. All my books are sold through PayPal, which is scottcampbell@comcast.net. That's SCOTCAMPBELL@comcast.net. And what you do is you put the amount in, like say you want 2 books, you put, I want the Halloween sketchbook, and I want the introductory sketchbook, and you say send $25. If you want 1 book, it's $15. Say you just want the Dragons book, it's $15. So basically you saw the prices, and you just indicate what book you want, and then put the money, send money. So that's how it works. I hope that's clear. If not, email me or make a comment. My email, well, you just heard it, scottcampbell@comcast.net. All right, I'm out of here. Thanks.